Hi, my name is Tanya, and thanks so much. My question is about the statement that came up earlier about, is the guy in the chair God? And the question I have is that if the consciousness is Atman and related to this larger consciousness, Brahma, then why are they not the same? Why is the person not actually God in that sense? And if what they're seeing is part of that experience, doesn't it all start to connect and become part of the same?
All right. We have to carefully tease apart different parts of your question. When you use words like Atman in relation to God, connecting it all, your point is taken. You are talking in terms of as if consciousness is a whole and of which we are tiny parts. So are we all related to each other as that one consciousness? There's a oneness, a relational whole, an organic whole. Yes, this is one view. This is called Vishishtadvaita Vedanta. The great master Ramanujacharya, this is how he interpreted and taught Vedanta. About 1,000 years ago, he said, consciousness is one, Brahman is one organic whole of which we are sentient and insentient parts. All of us, we are parts of that. And we are all related to each other through this one underlying consciousness. That's true. But Advaita Vedanta doesn't say that. It's not that you are related to some cosmic consciousness, or you are a part of some cosmic consciousness. Individual is a part of the cosmic consciousness. No. What Advaita Vedanta says, it denies the individual and denies the cosmos and says there is only one non-dual reality. To understand this, take a simple example, the dream example. In the dream, and we don't remember that we are dreaming, we don't feel that, we think it's normal, we are awake. So we are there and there's a world around us, there are people around us, and I am also there as part of that. When I wake up, I realize the whole world I saw there was dreamt up by me. And all the people there were dreamt up by me. And I who was there in my own dream, that I was also dreamt up by me. Now that I and that I in the dream and the world of the dream, would you say that one is part of a greater whole? They're all interconnected? No. The whole thing was imagined in that underlying dreaming mind. The you in the dream, the cat and the dog in the dream, the sky and the earth in the dream, are they parts of the dreaming mind? Are there specific locations in the dreaming mind where it's a dog and a cat and a sky and earth? Not at all. The whole thing is an appearance in one underlying dreaming mind. Similarly, this whole universe, these are not parts of Brahman. These are not aspects of Brahman. These are not qualities or properties of Brahman. Brahman alone is appearing as all of these. Or let me give you a more troubling example. Right now, this table, this wooden table, it's wood through and through, right? It's made of wood through and through. I'll assure you that it is. It's made of wood through and through. This table, this shrine, or the altar, that podium, they're made of wood through and through. Now, what is the relationship of the table to the wood? Is the table a part of the wood? Is the shrine, is the altar a part of the wood? Is it a property of the wood? Is it an activity of the wood? No. It is nothing but the wood with a particular form and a name and a function. Isn't it? Similarly, Brahman alone exists and it appears as this universe. This universe is not a part of Brahman. Is not a property of Brahman. Is not a function of Brahman. It's an appearance of Brahman. So that's non-duality.